All right. Let's see if I can get this right again. So, right here we got, these are the earrings are coming out. These are acrylic sublimation earrings. Yes, I'm almost done with them. Just wanted to give y'all the sneak peek. This is what I've been working on. Plus crocheting, I have to get done with some of the projects. I just got carpal tunnel. I'm getting done with everybody's projects that had ordered. And I appreciate everybody's understanding for that. But these are the new earrings that are coming out. The ones with, some of these are going to be exclusive because the artwork on these, the lady is like fantastic, and I can give you guys her information where I get, the artwork from. So the round ones are almost 3 inches. The square ones are 2.5 inches. So yes, these are coming, y'all. The images is gonna be on one, one side, of course, that's facing toward you, of course, and then the back part will be hand painted also. Yes, misunderstood that thickness and, well, not thickness, yes. And then it says, slay girl, slay. That energy, you gotta match that energy, baby. Then all this here, of course. I'm trying to sneak peek on her. Shea butter, coconut oil, self-love, beauty, pride, hustle, respect, strength, and intelligence. Definitely. And then it's the royalty in the DNA. And yes, I sublimate these on my own. I, design the wordings I put on my own, except for this one right here. Like I said, I'll let you guys know exactly who the artwork is by if you want to know. But I will give shout outs to those that I do get the artwork from, that I pay for the artwork. Of course. Yes, I will. But this is coming soon. And to those who, the crochet, you guys' orders are going to be coming. I'm just, taking my time because I do get carpal tunnel real bad. But this is about the earrings right now. So this is when I do earrings because I take a break from crocheting. And my wrist been real bad. My carpal tunnel been bad. So I'm just getting back into the swing of things. Not trying to get it where I have to get surgery on my wrist because I'll be down and out for real. I can't do nothing if I get surgery. So I have to take my time with things, y'all. But these are coming out. Like I said, some of them going to be exclusive. So the ones that that'll be exclusive. So when you go to my website, you'll see exclusive. Those are going to be more, of course. But it's well worth it. You're not going to see this anywhere else until other people pick up on it. Yes, that would be me. Because I love doing this, and I love designing, I love creating. I got more to come. I got more car fresheners coming. I got journals still coming. I'm still working on them. I'm waiting for some more things to come in so I can add to my journals and get them out to you guys also. So, yep. Here it is right here. Yes. Those are my little, see those right there? Yeah, I know my desk is messy because this is where I work at. This is where I be designing, painting, and bending wire and all kind of stuff. Right here on my little desk right here in my little baby apartment. So anyway, just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek. All right.